Welcome to Easylite. First, ladies and gentlemen, I've been on this platform for a while, and basically, what you do here is to come after every 1 hour and click on Ready to Claim, solve a capture, and click on Ready to Claim. As I just received some amount of LTC according to my level, I've put together a tutorial on the different avenues and different things you can do to double your earning besides just the hourly facet. So I've withdrawn here, as you can see. Even in my notifications, you can see your withdrawal has been done. So let's hit the menu again to see if the platform is still working. So this time around, we go to wallet. So under wallet, you can see my transaction history. I've done this withdrawal 0.015, 0.005, right? So we're going to make a new request. We click on withdraw here. Now we get the wallet address, and the withdrawal threshold is this 0.005. Please verify your withdrawal address. We cannot refund an incorrect address. So let me go get some Litecoin address. So I'm on Bybit. Let's click on deposit here. Click on deposit crypto. Let's enter a search for LTC. It's already in my history, so I just selected it from there. And this is the one I recently used, so I'll select it again. So here's the Litecoin network address, LTC, right? Starting with L. So I've copied the address. I want to withdraw everything, so I'll click on max. So my balance has been imputed. There's going to be no fees. That's fine. I click on withdraw LTC. Alright, so it says your withdrawal request has been processed. My balance has been wiped out. I have 0 at the top, while processing shows 0.31, right? So in my withdrawal history, we have this pending withdrawal, and then the rest status is showing completed. Alright, so my withdrawal status has changed from pending to completed, right? So this is like the highest of withdrawn from the platform. So let's go back to the home page. Here it also says your withdrawal has been done, right? What's the amount you're expecting again? 0.0316. So over here on my Bybit, this amount has been created, 0.03165645. Alright, so this is it, received. So it means the platform is still paying, and if you're not already using Easylite for free cryptocurrency earning, I'll leave you a link in the pinned comment of the video, as well as the other tutorials I made about the platform, so you go check them out and start earning free LTC every 1 hour. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.